Welcome to Expert SEM knowledge sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called positioning strategies. Here are several effective positioning strategy, especially four numbers are there. Number one, product price. A reliable differentiation strategy is to link your product with a competitive price point. Second one could be unique value proposition. What is your product's unique value proposition? Highlight the features and benefit of your product as uniquely equipped to meet specific needs of your customer base. Product quality. Customers are accustomed to paying more higher product quality, whether real or perceived. This strategy is especially successful in luxury market where high quality, limited availability, and famous brand ambassador can influence the decision. Competitive positioning. This strategy involves directly comparing your product with your competitor to show how yours is better or unique. Thanks for watching. Bye.